Do you have any brothers? Do you have any brothers? Do you have any sisters? Do you have any sisters? Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Do you sing? Do you sing? Do you cook? Do you cook? Do you cook often? Do you cook often? Do you have free time? Do you have free time? Do you have a bicycle? Do you have a bicycle? Do you have a job? Do you have a job? Do you have a driver's license? Do you have a driver's license? Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Do you have homework? Do you have homework? Do you have class tomorrow? Do you have class tomorrow? Do you have a Facebook account? Do you have a Facebook account? Do you use Facebook? Do you use Facebook? Do you like rain? Do you like rain? Do you like to study overseas? Do you like to study overseas? Do you like music? Do you like music? Do you like to listen to music? Do you like to listen to music? Do you like to eat out? Do you like to eat out? Do you like Italian food? Do you like Italian food? Do you like Asian food? Do you like Asian food? Do you like Mexican food? Do you like Mexican food? Do you like American food? Do you like American food? Do you like Indian food? Do you like Indian food? Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Do you like to drink coffee? Do you like to drink coffee? Do you like to eat durian? Do you like to eat durian? Do you work in an office? Do you work in an office? Do you work here? Do you work here? Do you work at home? Do you work at home? Do you wear glasses? Do you wear glasses? Do you wear contact lenses? Do you wear contact lenses? Do you watch TV every night? Do you watch TV every night? Do you live near here? Do you live near here? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you understand what I am saying? Do you understand what I am saying? Do you collect anything? Do you collect anything? Do you collect stamps? Do you collect stamps? Do you know which way to go? Do you know which way to go? Do you know where the bank is? Do you know where the bank is? Do you know where the post office is? Do you know where the post office is? Do you know where the police station is? Do you know where the police station is? Do you know where the hospital is? Do you know where the hospital is? Do you know where the restroom is? Do you know where the restroom is? Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to swim? Do you know how to swim? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Do you disagree with me? Do you think so? Do you think so? Do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know my mom? Do you know my mom? Do I know you? Do I know you? Do we know each other? Do we know each other? Do you need help? Do you need help? Do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you hate me? Do you hate me? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you like the lesson today? Do you like the lesson today?